Hey there family, welcome to my channel. I hope that you are well. I am here with you today to share with you the wonderful health benefits of a popular Jamaican plant that is typically viewed as a weed and cut from our yards over and over again. The Spanish needle, common in South American tropical and subtropical regions, is a herbal plant with small green leaves and has charming little flowers of yellow and white. Did you know that the Spanish needle plant can be used in culinary activities as well as medicine? Lovely, dainty Spanish needle got its name because of its character. The soft white petals of the flowering plant is centered by yellow needle-like burrs clustered together. This is where the bees like to harbor to retrieve sweet nectar. It is not only the bees that can feast on this plant, The stem and leaves can be sauteed and eaten or eaten raw in a salad, just as any other green vegetable. Just be sure to choose the tender plants that have not yet started to flower. Now let me share with you some awesome nutritional value of this plant. Many of you will be surprised to find out that Spanish needle aids in the treatment of cancerous cells, in particular leukemia. Now, the opinions I'm sharing with you here are based on my research. So please, to clarify, just carefully do your own due diligence before making a decision on its usage. An infusion of the entire plant is very good for fighting and preventing cancers. An infusion of Spanish needle is good for controlling diabetes and is very effective in controlling the developments of cold sores and other ailments that is associated with herpes simplex virus. The Spanish needle plants are also good for promoting healthy liver. A decoction of the leaves and roots are great for treating colds, diarrhea, colic, malaria, and for exterminating parasites from the body, i.e. worms. The juice from the leaves of the Spanish needle plant can be used to soothe eye irritations and tiredness, and is also a great mouthwash for sore gums. Spanish needle is anti-inflammatory, anti-microbial, and has excellent nutritive properties. So, the next time you come across this plant, be sure to see it with fresh new eyes. Remember, visit your local herbalist for advice before proceeding with usage. If this information was helpful to you, do like this video and share it with those that you love. And until next time, eat well, walk good, much love.